What's going on, everybody? This is the junk car lady hitting you up out of Raleigh. We're going to talk about how to avoid getting your car towed in Raleigh for having a flat tire. Now, if you guys live in an apartment complex, especially in Raleigh, but really in Cary, all of the nearby areas, Wake Forest, Garner, all right, they will, if you live in an apartment complex especially, they will tow your car if your tires are flat. They'll put one of these stickers on it. I'm going to show you. There's a car that I picked up and the person wanted to get rid of, and they had one of these stickers on their car. I'm going to show you the stickers I'm talking about. You probably done got a sticker before. All right, let me show you. All right, so this is what one of the stickers look like. Okay, and sometimes the stickers are a neon orange color, sometimes they're green, yellow, but they'll put one of these stickers on there a lot of times if your tire is flat. Like in this case right here, all right, this tire is considered flat. Okay, all right, when the tires are not pumped up anymore. All right, I'm going to show you how to avoid getting one of these stickers on your car just because your tire is flat. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to use, and this is one of these things, a portable air pump, right, that you can actually get. Now, I don't know if you can get this brand, but you can get one like this probably at the parts store or either online. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Okay, and this one, it's powered up by being able to connect to your cigarette lighter. Okay, so let's go ahead. First thing we're going to do is we got this puppy here. Okay, and we're going to hook it up to the tire. All right, boom. See that right there? All right, we can go ahead and screw that on to the tire. All right, now I'm holding the camera as I'm doing this to show you. All right, just want to take your time, screw it on. All right, boom, nice and snug. Okay, then I'm going to take the other end, right, that goes into your cigarette lighter. And you see this one has a pretty long cord. Most of them will have a pretty long cord, right? Go over here. And we got this car running. It actually was dead too, so had to jump it off, but it's all right. That's another video for you. All right, and we're going to put it in our cigarette lighter. Now, in this case, our port for it is down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug that in. Okay, and all we did was just push that right in, push it all the way in. Okay, now we have that in. We're going to come back over to our little machine. Okay, now we're going to hit the on button right here. Boom. And I'll pause it for a minute because I want you to see something. You can check how much pressure is in it by this gauge. Like right now it's below 10, so we're going to pump it up till it's at least enough for us to move the car. Okay, so I'm going to let that pump up a little bit, and I'll pause the video and we'll come right back. Hit this button, my bad. All right, so in this case we pumped it up and it got as far as close to 20, and then I noticed that I was hearing a hissing sound, and so when I listened and felt, it was around here to the bottom. So in this case the tire actually does have a leak, but using this machine you would be able to tell that in most cases, not in all cases, but you'd be able to pump it up. Okay, and since this one has a leak, you just go ahead, pop on your handy dandy spare, you'll be good to go. Another thing I wanted to point out too though is that even once you get it pumped up, some cars, the tire pressure sensor has to have time to reset. So you see that alert there, that tire symbol right there, let you know that the tire pressure monitor is showing that one of them is low. But even once you pump it up, sometimes that symbol will still be there. Okay, so in the event that happens, then you could just go to like a nearby tire shop or what have you once you've gotten it pumped up to where you can drive it, or put on your spare, get it over to a tire shop so they can repair the leak. But also if you don't have a leak, because yes, your tire can get low and you don't have like a major leak, especially if your vehicle has been sitting for a long time, right? It can get a little low and cause one of these Raleigh apartment places to put a sticker on your car. So you would take it over to one of your tire shops once you get everything up and running, and they can reset that TPMS light for you. TPMS stands for tire pressure monitoring service, okay, or system, right? All right, but other than that, guys, I just wanted to show you that quick tip real quick, all right, to kind of save you some trouble, because you don't want to have to lose your car just because it had a flat tire. All right, so hopefully this has been helpful. Definitely give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, put down in the comments, and let us know the type of content that you want to see coming up. And keep in mind, if you're in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, Cary, we also cover Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Nightdale. All right, give us a call, the Junk Car Lady, 919-228-8610 if you need to junk your car and you want to junk your car for cash, baby. Other than that, y'all already know, and we out.